Unit 9. Getting Things Done. Page 58. Exercise 2. Perspectives. Get the job done. Part A. Listen to an advertisement. Would you use a service like this? Why or why not?
Leave it to me. Let us handle your to-do list. Tell us what you need done and we'll find the right people to do the job for you. Home services. Get your apartment cleaned and your belongings organized. Have your walls painted and your leaking sink fixed. Get all your home appliances repaired. Everyday errands and odd jobs. Want to have your car washed and waxed? Need help preparing a meal for your family? Don't have time to wait in line? Too busy to pick up cat food or drop off your laundry? You can have it all done at affordable prices. Download the Leave It to Me app and get 10% off your first hour of work.
Page 59. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Get or have something done. Use get or have, the object, and the past participle of the verb to describe a service performed for you by someone else. Do something yourself.
I clean my house every week.
He is painting his bedroom.
They fixed the sink.
Did you paint your bedroom?
Where can I wash my car?
Get or have something done for you.
I get my house cleaned every week. I get my house cleaned by a cleaner every week.
He is having his bedroom painted.
They got the sink fixed.
Did you have your bedroom painted?
Where can I have my car washed?
Page 59. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Sentence stress. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice that when the object becomes a pronoun, sentence B, it is no longer stressed.
Where can I have my car washed?
You can have it washed at the auto shop. Where can I get my nails done?
You can get them done at a salon.
Page 61. Exercise 8. Conversation. I can't carry a tune. Part A. Listen and practice.
Are you going to Lena's party tonight?
No, I don't think so. I don't really feel up to it.
You haven't been going out much since you broke up with Carter.
I guess not. He's friends with all my friends, you know.
You need to meet new people. Have you thought about joining a running club? You love running.
I've thought about that, but they meet at 6 a.m. I'm not really a morning person.
Well, maybe you could take part in our singing group. I've made a lot of good friends there.
I don't think so. Remember when we did karaoke? I can't carry a tune to save my life.
Yeah, I remember. Well, I guess you'd better get used to waking up early. Just think of all the cute guys who go running in the park in the morning.
Page 61. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Making suggestions. With modals plus verbs.
Maybe you could take part in a singing group.
With gerunds.
What about joining a running club? Have you thought about asking your friends to introduce you around?
With negative questions.
Why don't you do some volunteer work?
With infinitives.
One option is to join a club. It might be a good idea to check out the cultural events at the university.
Page 62. Exercise 10. Listening. Resolutions. Part A. Listen to a conversation between 3 friends on New Year's Eve. Check the resolution each person makes and write their friends' suggestions.
That food was delicious, you guys. How many years have we all spent New Year's Eve together, Hannah?
5 years. I just posted our annual picture. Your mom already liked it, Selena.
Of course she did. And now my favorite part, New Year's resolutions. Edward?
I need to stop procrastinating on my big project for grad school. I still haven't started it because I get so easily distracted.
I've said this before, Edward, but you need to cut down on those distractions. How can you work with the TV on? And your roommate's music? I could never put up with that.
I know. It's hard because I get along with him so well, but he is a big distraction. And well, you know how I love TV.
Yeah, but you'd finish your project a lot faster without them. Have you thought about going to the library? Work hard for a few hours, then go home and watch all the TV you want.
That's not a bad idea. I've never tried working at the library. What about you, Selena?
I want the energy I used to have at school. Now I'm just always tired at work.
I think you need to exercise, Selena. You sit down all day at a desk and then go home and sit more. Of course you're tired. I found this great app that has quick and effective exercises you can do in your living room.
Yeah, but she needs to leave the living room. Selena, maybe you could start some outdoor exercise, like hiking, swimming, or jogging. You need to take better care of yourself.
I hate jogging, but I've always liked swimming. You swim, don't you, Edward?
Yes, and I love it. Why don't you come with me to the pool this week? Push yourself to start exercising 3 times a week, and I'll push myself to go to the library.
Perfect. That leaves us with Hannah, our social media queen.
Ugh, I need to come up with an idea to save my relationship. I think my boyfriend might break up with me.
What happened?
He says I'm addicted to my phone and social media. But it's my job. I'm a social media analyst. I have to constantly be online.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be working online all the time, Hannah. Everyone needs a break.
What about taking a couple hours off from your phone every night?
Every night?
Hannah, work is important, but it isn't everything.
I just don't want my work to suffer and lose my job.
You'll be better at your job if you're not always working. Try it for a few nights.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Guys, why can't life be easy like it used to be?
Like when we were 12?
Welcome to being an adult. Happy New Year!